Hi guys, what's going on? My name is Aisha. Today's video is the first lesson in interior design course, the master class of interior design. If this is your first time here and you love architecture and want to learn more about it, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. How to start the design? Interior design is just like any design you want to start. It needs a concept. You can't design anything just like that. The ideas don't come to you just like this. It has to come from somewhere, and this where is the concept, and also the concept has to come from somewhere. So I made a specific video explaining how to develop, create and find ideas. So first, watch this video in the description and do the following. First or second, ask your client these questions. What type of room it is? Who uses it? How do they use it? How many people to sit? Second, make a space plan. Layout of furniture, color palette, traffic patterns. Know about the flow in and out of the room. What furniture is in the adjoining space. Third, the first thing to do is a detailed scale floor plan. This is gonna allow you to put the proper furniture scale wise into the room and create the best traffic patterns. Detail the floor plan drawn to scale. Visualize traffic patterns, finishes, fabric, rug areas, lighting and accessories. You have to lay them out so you can see the color palettes, the various textures and the durability. First, when taking measurements of the room, it's really important to know the architectural details of the room, like fireplace, windows, doorways, built-ins, existing furniture maybe. However, you need to do a color, texture, materials and light schemes. Select all the colors you want to use according what you are going to learn in this course. Choose the final colors of everything. Do the same with textures, patterns and etc. Now you have many schemes. After you make sure that each scheme is perfect, put all the schemes together and see how they connected to each other. Are they balanced, contrasted? Are they working together or not? Are they like you expected them? Did they achieve the purpose of the design? Then you can replace some, add some or remove some to make the perfect combination and get what you want. Now you have one perfect scheme and there is nothing left but to apply them to the room. Okay, I know this might not be very helpful at the moment, but when you start step by step, you will understand what I mean. Before I go, I would love to know what topics you want me to add to this course. I'll be glad to add whatever you want me to add. Tell me in the comments. And if you love architecture and want to learn more about it, more about interior, exterior or anything related to architecture, please consider subscribing. Have a nice day and good day.